Big buzz is building around Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan, and this time it's about much awaited first look. According to strong industry chatter and unverified social media reports, the makers may finally reveal the first glimpse of Ranbir Kapoor as Lord Ram and Yash as Ravana on Ram Navami, which falls on March 27, 2026. Now let us be clear, there is no official confirmation yet, but the timing has set the internet on fire. Ram Navami, being one of the most sacred days linked to Lord Ram, feels symbolically perfect for such a reveal. Earlier, there were whispers that something might drop on Mahashivratri in Feb, but that will not happen. So, all eyes are now on Ram Navami. Despite being one of the most expensive and ambitious Indian film ever, Ramayan has stayed completely silent so far. No posters, no teasers, no character reveals. And that silence is only making the curiosity stronger. The film is backed by Namit Malhotra and prime focus with massive VFX work underway to match global cinematic standards. What has added fuel to the excitement is A.R. Rahman's recent comments. Speaking to Hollywood Report India, the legendary composer revealed that he is working closely with poet and Ramayana scholar Dr. Kumar Vishwas on the lyrics. Rahman said every discussion feels alive because every atom on his body speaks Ramayan, hinting at how deeply rooted and authentic the music will be. The cast itself is a major talking point. Ranbir Kapoor stepping into as the role of Lord Ram marks a huge moment in his career, especially after his intense performance in recent films. Yash, known for his towering screen presence playing Ravana, has already sparked massive fan debate. Add to the side Pallavi as Sita, Ravi Dubey as Lakshman, Sunny Deol as Hanuman, Lara Datta as Ketki and Arun Govil as King Dashrath. And you have a casting lineup that blends nostalgia with fresh energy. The film is planned as two-part epic, with Part 1 releasing on Diwali 2026 and Part 2 scheduled for Diwali 2027. Director Nitesh Tiwari, known for Dangal, is expected to focus heavily on emotional depth while delivering large-scale visuals. On social media, fans are already in full speculation mode. Concept art, AI renders, and fan-made posters are doing the rounds, while polls ask whether this could become India's biggest box office spectacle ever. But for now, it's all based on rumors, and the makers are keeping things tightly under wraps. If the first look does drop on Ram Navami, it won't just be a marketing move. It will be a statement. Until then, the wait continues and the excitement only grows. I'm Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.